In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning text effect on Canva that will make your designs pop. Whether you're looking to add a professional touch to your social media posts, spruce up your marketing materials, or simply unleash your creativity, this simple yet effective technique will definitely enhance your layout. Begin by heading over to canva.com. If you haven't logged in yet, take a moment to do so using your existing credentials. If this is your first time, you may want to create an account. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on Canva's main dashboard. Now, locate the Create button at the top left of the screen. This is your starting point for embarking on any new design project in Canva. Click on it and select the type of document you want to work on. Whether that's an Instagram post, presentation, or any other option that suits your needs. Once you're set up on your blank page, it's time to add some text. On the left-hand toolbar, you'll find a selection of options, and among them, there's an option to insert a text box. Click on it, and a new text box will appear on your canvas. Within this text box, you can type out the text you want to work with. Make sure it's something vibrant and impactful, as this technique really highlights your chosen words. Now, with your text in place, the next step is to duplicate your text layer. This is easily done by selecting the text box you've just created. Once it's selected, right-click on it and choose the duplicate option. Alternatively, you can use a simple keyboard shortcut depending on your operating system. Usually it's Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. You'll see an identical text layer appear right on top of the original. Focus your attention on the bottom layer of your duplicated text. This is where the magic happens. Change the color of this layer to something bright, such as neon pink, electric blue, or any shade that exudes a glowing effect. A bright color will give the glow more visibility and make your text stand out. Decide if you want a slight shift in shadow by offsetting the layers, or perhaps you'd like them perfectly aligned for a more subtle effect. Both approaches work depending on the mood you're going for. To finalize that glowing halo effect, there are a couple of finishing touches to consider. Reduce the opacity of the bottom text layer, giving it a smooth, glowing aura. Alternatively, you can add a blur effect to this layer to soften the edges, enhancing the atmospheric glow. And there you have it, a beautiful, glowing text effect that gives your design a striking and professional appearance. Play around with colors and placement until you find the perfect combination that matches the vibe of your project. Enjoy bringing your designs to life and don't be afraid to experiment with different settings for unique results.